kayo po, ano po yung mensahe po ninyo? Ano po yung take nyo on this, itong political dynasty issue?
You know, that gets asked time and time and again. And you're right, everyone, all of us, natatanong kami. First and foremost, ang unang kong sinasabi dyan ay elected naman po kami, hinahalal naman po kami ng mga constituents namin and mga voters namin. Naniniwala naman ako na pag hindi maganda ang performance mo o kaya pag merong hindi nagustuhan ang tao, they are empowered to choose kung ayaw na nila sa'yo or hindi. And in fact, that's why our family, in whatever positions we have, whether it's in the private sector and in the public sector, we really work hard to make sure na nakikita nung mga kababayan namin or yung mga pinagsiservisyohan namin ang magagandang resulta. Dahil naniniwala kami that these positions have to be earned and deserved. I think they're an honor and also a tremendous responsibility that you have to be ready for. So, to the people who say na, dynasty, ganyan, I always tell them na, pero pinipili naman kami ng constituency namin. They have the power and the right to remove us at any time, to not elect us, tell us they don't like us if they don't agree with us. And on the other hand, at this point, I'm very grateful for the support and the trust that is given to us by our constituencies and by the people that have elected us. So it's not something that that our family takes lightly. And of course, syempre, because our parents, yun yung kinalakihan namin eh. They are public servants. So we saw them as a very good example and it's something na gusto rin namin tularan. At tinuruan kami ng mga magulang namin na dapat magsipag at magtiyaga sa lahat ng gusto naming makamit at wag nating i-disappoint ang mga customer natin or ang ating mga constituents. Dapat magtrabaho tayo. So yun lang naman po ang ginagawa namin. And in fact, in any campaign, you know, at this point, in the coming months, magpapakilala nga po tayo. At sana, para sa mga Pilipino, mga kababayan natin, ay what we have to say and what we have done is enough. Kumbaga, we're going to convince them at sila naman ang magde-decide kung worthy tayo sa mga posisyon na meron tayo, hindi po ba? So that's what I think about dynasties. You're not anointed or you're not appointed, you're chosen by the people, and I think we should respect that.